Hello there. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is homemade blackhead removal mask recipes for oily and dry skin. Exfoliating homemade blackhead removal masks, how do they work? Exfoliation is one of the most effective do-it-yourself blackhead removal methods. Natural exfoliators for blackhead removal are extremely beneficial because they are gentle on the skin and help to maintain the skin's pH balance. These natural exfoliators have a significant impact on the condition of the skin when used on a regular basis. Homemade blackhead removal mask recipes for oily and combination skin. 1 tablespoon lentil powder. 2 tablespoons rice flour. 1 tablespoon powder camphor. 1 teaspoon mint paste. 1 tablespoon of neem powder. To make a thick paste, combine the above ingredients with 3 tablespoons Fuller's Earth and rose water. Store it in a jar and apply it to blackhead-prone areas of your skin on a rotating basis. Remove with cold water. Homemade blackhead removal mask for dry skin. 3 tablespoons rice powder. 3 tablespoons almond powder. 2 tablespoons oatmeal. Mix the above ingredients with milk and regularly apply them to blackhead-affected areas. All components are equally necessary when added in the right proportion. How do homemade exfoliating blackhead removal masks work? Exfoliating homemade blackhead removal masks remove accumulated sebum and dead skin from hair follicles. These masks, however, are more effective when the blackheads are not deep-seated. Is there any risk of using a homemade peel-off blackhead removal mask? The majority of homemade blackhead removal masks have no significant side effects. However, keep in mind that some peel-off masks can cause irritation and dryness. To soothe your skin after a mask, apply a moisturizer and a few drops of lavender essential oil. Also, before using any of the masks, perform a patch test on your skin. If you enjoy watching my videos, please show your appreciation by subscribing to the channel. Also, remember to click the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for visiting the channel as well as stay tuned.